How to draw Herobrine for Minecraft, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to want to draw two lines. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my paper just because it's a little bit easier to make straighter lines. So let's try to make these two lines the same length and as straight as possible, one above the other. Nice! Now let's go ahead and turn our paper back up and down. So now we have openings on both sides. We're going to want to close off these openings as well as add lines on the inside. So pretty much we should just have a big rectangular shape with two lines on the inside. However, be careful because you want the spacing to be very similar to mine. Nice! So now we have three small spaces that are similar to squares. So let's start off in the bottom square, right here, and let's draw a line going up and down to separate the two sides. So that line that we just made, going up and down, will help us make the legs. So let's draw a line going across the bottom of the two legs to help make the feet. Fantastic! So the bottom square is the legs, the midsection will be the middle of the body, and the top square will be the head. So now in the midsection, on the right and left hand side, we're going to want to draw the arms by drawing rectangular shapes going up and down. And if you're new to learn how to draw Hub, then welcome. I upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. And let's do the exact same thing on the left hand side as well. Nice! Are you all done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now on each of the arms, we're going to want to draw a small line going across from left to right to make the arm sleeves. Then, on the bottom of the shirt, we're going to want to make a small design. And at the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now we will want to draw one more design on the top of the shirt as well, right above what we just made together. Now all we have left to do before we color is to add detail to the head, so let's go to the inside of the head and let's draw a line for the hair. Next, right below the hairline, we're going to want to draw the eyes by making two small rectangular shapes that are sideways. Now last but not least, below the eyes, we're going to draw the nose along with the mouth. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Herobrine for Minecraft. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. And don't forget, the next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.